Hello guys! Today we will play English riddles.
Okay, question number 1. What has to be broken before you can use it? 5, 4,
Caldero!
4.
Caldero!
Wrong. What has to be broken before you can use it?
Egg.
Very good. Next.
Sorry.
Number 2. What month of the year has 28 days?
February.
Wow.
Ang galing.
Question number 3. What is full of holes but still holds water?
Ang hirap, guys.
Four.
Tabang, guys.
Three.
Tabang.
1.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Basic sponge.
Question number 4.
Guys, wagi ko ka hinalungong ani, guys. Dili ko ka mao ani. Sa ni ilang gipa tubag na ko dire.
Okay, number 4. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it?
Mirror.
Wrong.
I'm so sorry!
Ow.
Easy. Egg gyapon.
Wrong.
Wagi.
The answer is
Ang guli-guli.
the answer of what can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it is a promise.
Promise. My goodness.
Ikaw na muna.
No.
What goes up but ever comes down?
Ano ba yan, guys? Ang hirap-hirap naman. What goes
5,
up but
4.
never comes down? Airplane. Ay, ga-down man din ang airplane.
2,
1.
Wala na. Too late.
Guys, ang hirap, guys.
Next.
Ako? Easy ining angels.
Wrong!
Kung saan man day?
Your age. What goes up but ever comes down? Your age.
Angel,
guys,
hindi mo na down. Oh,
Imong edad ba? Your age.
mura na ko ani ko an.
Oh my God!
Kung saan na gani? Mura ko
Arigiti na gaba. Sige na, next na. What gets wet while drying?
What gets wet while drying?
5, 4,
Clothes.
Wrong!
1.
Hapit na tani. Galing kisala. Tama na sana kasumali.
Bakit? Cloth eh?
T-shirt! Wrong!
Kung saan man day?
A towel.
Guys, ang hirap ng larong ito, guys. Try nyo to, guys. Masaya.
May katawa. Another. What has many keys but can't open a single lock?
A promise.
Wrong.
Di, wala pa.
You guess it wrong.
Wala na tagrani. Aka? ISP.
Wrong.
Talo.
Answer.
A piano. What has many keys but can't open a single lock?
Okay. Ang hirap naman ng mga tanong mo, Shine.
What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
Dirty white.
Wrong. I'm so sorry to say this, but you're wrong.
Repeat.
Okay. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
Dili ka nakapakot, oy, pertian ng budlaya.
Isip.
5, 4, 3, wrong! Ang face! Ang face! Ipagkita ang face!
Ang face, pakita.
No, 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 no.
A blackboard.
Blackboard, gali.
Okay.
Budlayam na. Uy, paita, maning dili ta ka, kama mo answer.
It's a prank, guys.
What is always in front of you but can't be seen?
Shadow!
Wrong!
Confident kayo saan?
What's the answer?
Mouth.
Wrong!
My nose.
Unsa man?
The future. What is always in front but you can't see, you
My
can't be seen
goodness.
the future.